We need to regain our pride in France. And it's important that companies like MGA and SCALLOG can show as many people as possible that the industry of the future can be proud, it can be efficient, perfectly digitized, perfectly organized, and that's really important for Made in France. Hello, my name is Hervé de Malliard. I'm the president of Maison MGA. Maison MGA is an innovative company that primarily serves two markets, the world of healthcare industries and semiconductors. So here we are specifically in Mably at MGA MEDTECH. MGA MEDTECH. We design, develop, industrialize and manufacture instruments for the medicine of the future, and specifically for gene and cell therapies, high precision, intelligent in vitro diagnostic instruments, and microfluidic consumables. Because one of the three major skills we have here, in addition to all the disciplines of engineering sciences, are microfluidics, optronics, and cell biology. This factory, specifically MGA MEDTECH, aims to inspire industry and French industry in particular, the industry of the French fab. It's a factory that we wanted to be sustainable and responsible. So here we put a lot of heart into all the subjects of energy efficiency, energy production. Since we have a small photovoltaic plant integrated into the factory, geothermal energy. Here, on this phase of the building, you have 11 wells, 140 meters deep, 78 kilowatts, which serve us for energy performance, and a whole bunch of other subjects that we are 25% better than the RE 2020. We recover rainwater, etc., etc. That's the first thing. Then we wanted to make it an inspiration for the world, well, for Industry 4.0 in general. So that's why we parallelized a physical and digital intralogistics flow according to the ISO 480 ISO 13485 standard. It's a first. And for the physical flow, we decided to work with incredible partners, SCALLOG, who made us a magnificent machine that you see behind me, which has automated storage that allows us, in fact, to reference all our items, do pick to light, make a ready-to-assemble kit according to the standard, with kitting components, and to send with small autonomous AMRs to the assembly line station this kit to handle the entire assembly of the instrument and reconcile at every critical point with the MES we developed in order to ensure a forward flow. And to achieve that, we obviously needed an intelligent storage system. And thanks to our entire fleet of Mably robots, we chose storage shelves that are brought into stock and then provide the necessary forward movement for our production flow. And so this also has an inspirational side to it ultimately. So why did we do this? We did it for several reasons. As I mentioned earlier, first to inspire, but also to bring on board a whole fleet of talent with rare skills, because, as I said, we're dealing with very specialized and globally rare expertise. And so it was necessary. This modern concept also contributes a bit to our employer brand. And finally, with this entire team, this factory, and these talents, we serve a clientele of startups that are at the global forefront of technology, cell therapy, and in vitro diagnostics. And so with this whole team, the talent, the factory, and the associated skills, we will contribute to saving many patients through these new medical therapies, innovative treatments, and these new medical diagnostic devices. Well, what we liked about SCALLOG, first of all, was the entire preliminary dialogue. They really listened, and we were able to build a solution tailored to our specific needs and challenges. Because it wasn't just about storage, we needed intelligent storage that integrates into an intralogistics logic to manage the entire parts flow and ultimately achieve the desired performance and productivity. And so this very early dialogue was truly useful for our project. And then it wasn't exactly simple to manage the digital dialogue between the system's intelligence and our MES, which needs, as I explained earlier, to completely parallelize the intralogistics flow with the digital flow. So this entire process of co-construction and co-creation was extremely satisfying, and it went very well indeed. One of the major points is that SCALLOG is made in France. As one of the co-founders of French Fab, it was particularly important for us to have a French solution. In France, we need to regain our pride, and it's important that companies like MGA and SCALLOG can show everyone that the industry of the future can be proud, efficient, perfectly digitized, and perfectly organized. That's truly important for Made in France.